At some point, every business needs to send quotes, proposals, or invoices to clients. In this use case video, we'll show you how easy it is to automate this process using DocExport for Monday.com, and how to make it match your corporate identity with your own DocX template. With DocExport, you can create quotes and invoices manually, one by one, or completely on autopilot, with pre-made recipes triggered by status changes or other actions. You can even have the generated PDFs emailed automatically to your customers, using a custom email template. Let's take a look at our boards. In our example, we are an office furniture company using 3 boards to represent our workflow. One that manages our customers' data, a second with products and services, and the main board is the Quotes and Invoices board, where all information comes together. Here, all products and services can be added via sub-items. This setup makes it easy for us to use the predefined Quotes and Invoices template in DocExport. Let's dive into it. Go to the DocExport view in your board, and you should now see the start screen of the DocExport app. Click on the drop-down menu to select the starter template for Quotes and Invoices. This is a built-in predefined template. If you want, you can also create a template from scratch or modify your existing business documents. But using the starter template will make the whole process a lot easier, and I will show you why. The Quotes and Invoices template enables you to directly map the columns of your board to the placeholders in the template builder. So, the next step is to click on the drop-down menu and select the matching values. As you can see, some columns are mandatory and should be presented in your board. As soon as you have matched all columns, a real-time PDF preview will be generated. And with that, you've basically already created your document. But, of course, it doesn't look like your brand yet. But using the predefined template provides you with the perfect basis for all your customizations. So, the next step is to customize the template to your needs. We click on Customize Template in the top right corner and then on Download Template to your computer. Open the DocX template in Microsoft Word or Google Docs to change the style of the document by adding your logo, header, footer, or changing the font and font size. For Quotes and Invoices, it makes sense to add the company logo and customize the footer. You may also want to color the table in your brand colors. You are completely free to use all the functions that Microsoft Word offers. Please visit our Help Center for more detailed instructions on customizing your template or adding more information from your Monday.com board by using placeholders. As soon as you're happy with your template, upload it as a DocX file to DocExport to instantly view the updated version. Click on Customize Template in the top right corner of your document and upload the new template here. If you want to make further changes, simply repeat the steps and upload another version of your DocX file until you are happy with your result. Usually, the next step would be to automate the PDF creation. However, as we want to send the quote with a custom email template to our customers, we will create this first. This step is optional. All documents can also be emailed using the default email template. And please note that custom email templates are included in our professional plan or any higher plan. To create a custom email template, we click on More and go to Email Templates. Then select Add Email Template. Define the name of your email template by clicking on the name field. Now you can write a custom subject line and a body. And optionally also insert placeholders like name of document to output the name of the document that is attached to the email. You can use the text editor or switch to the code view to add your own HTML. If you are ready, click on Save. Now that the DocX template and the custom email template are ready, you can define actions. Go back to the DocExport Start view. Select your template and click on Actions Automations. Here you can define what should happen with your document after creating it. In this example, we want to save it to a file column, send an email with the PDF attached to the email address in the Customer Email column, by using the custom email template Quote Email. As you can see, you are also able to create a new custom email template right on the fly and skip the step in the settings if you want to. But if you want to change or delete something, you always have to go back to the settings. In the last step, I give it a custom file name. I go for quote item.customer for the customer name from item.date for the date that the quote is generated. Finally, we want the actions above to be triggered when changing a status column to quote sent. So we go for Setup Automation. We click on Integrate in the top right corner of your board and search for DocExport. Don't worry if it doesn't appear straight away. It might take a few seconds to pop up, especially if you're loading it for the first time. We want to trigger the automation manually with a status change in the board, and therefore select when status changes to something, create document using DocExport template. Fill in all the parameters and save it. And that's it. Let's give it a try by going back to the board and changing the status to quote sent. The quote PDF is generated and saved in the file column. At the same time, our customer also received an email with our custom email template and the PDF attached. And that's how you can easily create, customize, and automate quotes and invoices in Monday.com with DocExport. On our website, you can find more use cases, templates, and an overview of supported features. No matter the document, no matter the use case, DocExport makes it happen.